Hey, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative, and yes, I know it is July, and yes, this is all my Christmas stuff, but I figured what better time to finish off my December Daily album, and also the main reason I want to work on some Christmas stuff. My Christmas stash is getting completely out of hand, so I'm going to attempt to finish my December Daily album from last year and try and use up some of this stuff. Like, it's not a lot of stuff, but it's from so many random collections to the point where I'm getting to that point where it's hard to put together layouts because there's so many collections. And also, let me see, this will be the first December Daily album that I've completed in what, maybe 2 years. So during that, like each year I get a new kit, set the whole album up, but I haven't completed one. So in here I have, I think the last kit I got was the Merry Days, and that one has the most stuff in here, and it's also, I don't know, I'm finding it the most difficult collection to mix with other collections. And I have some of my favorite kit, the Snow and Cocoa, and also, let me see, I think this was from, I want to say Simple Stories, and it was Mistletoe Kisses. It was this is a digital kit. This is a very old kit. Let me see, there's more Snow and Cocoa. And there's also random stuff in here from Target. Every year I have to hit the Target dollar spot and add their Christmas stuff to my collection. So I need to work this stash down because I don't know, I don't want to have to start next year with all of this randomness. Oh, and I also have, this one is from my shop. This is actually what I used this year. What was it called? Rose Gold Christmas. So I have some of that in here also, but I think most of that, I don't know, most of that I use. Oh, and I also have bits and pieces from the Maggie Holmes, the Shine, I think it was called, yeah, her Shine collection. I have been using that collection in my December Daily for a while. I always, anytime I do the numbers, I use the numbers from that kit. I think it's just numbers left in here. Everything else I have used up. Let me see, yeah, and I think most of the stuff that's still intact is from the Merry Days. And when I got this kit, when I saw it, I was very excited because it's not I'm not a traditional Christmas color December Daily person. Like it had peach and pink. So I thought, it would have been perfect, but I don't know, I'm having a hard time. I don't know why. I think because, I don't know, I'll show you when I show you some of the papers. Let me see if I find, like all of the die cuts and papers, you can probably see it from here. They all have like this brown background, and it's hard. I'm finding it hard to mix with the other kits, and normally that doesn't bother me, but it just, I don't know, it looks a little muddy next to other stuff. I don't know. Or maybe I don't know, wasn't feeling that. And I also realized, let's move this over. I also realized I did not share my December Daily album. I shared it over on Instagram, but I never shared it on YouTube last year. I don't think I didn't do any process videos because I didn't want to start it and not finish it. But so this little album is from Box Clever Press, and I will leave a link. I'll leave a link to it. Let me just show you that's how it looks from the top. And I love a chunky December Daily. I didn't get as chunky this year, but that's how it looks. That's kind of the reason why I got it. So let me open it up and show you what comes in it. It comes with these. Oh, and I should make a disclaimer. It's actually a cash binder system, like a cash binder planning system. I've never done cash binding, but I just saw this. I think I was looking at planners and I saw this on Amazon. But it is these plastic envelopes, and it has, each one has like a little sheet, and it says category, and you put the date, description, balance. And they are made of like this thick heavy plastic. It's meant to hold cash and coins, and it comes with 12 of them. I think I only have 3 of them in here because I took them out and I used them just to store photos and to store die cuts and things. So I just had a few in the back just to hold pictures. And I think I paid like $10 for this. Like it wasn't expensive at all. But it is, I don't know, it's the perfect mini album size. And let me show you how the front closes. It kind of locks in place like that. And it has, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it has this little mechanism that kind of locks that. And it only comes in like this green color. Like I said, it's not, they call it a cash binding system, but I may get a few more just to do mini albums. It is perfect for mini albums. So this is not a full flip through. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen some of these. This is, I'll just show you like my progress. And I started last year's book with November. So these are actually Thanksgiving pictures. Yep, my son's birthday is in November, so that's his birthday pictures and Thanksgiving. Actually, his birthday was on Thanksgiving. You see, I think I showed that one on Instagram. And this die cut is from my shop, and this one, this is, I think that's from the Merry Days. I don't want to pull that out because it's so hard to get that back in. So it's like I have a page done here and there. Like my pictures are in. That's about all I did. I glued pictures in. So most of the pages, oh, like this one, I just put the picture in, and it's a pocket because I know it's a story that goes with that picture. I think this was like the only actual spread that was complete. And that was like my cookie day, which is my favorite December daily day. Let's get that back in there. Alright, oh, it's supposed to hang out like that. I think I shared, I may have been part of this process in the Instagram story. I don't remember. And these are from my shop from that Rose Gold Christmas. And I haven't added my journaling, but the plan is to go back and add journaling on the back of those die cuts. And I did movie night. And that's it. As you can see, not very far. Oh, and this year I did not number anything because I didn't want to stress myself to try and get to 25 days, because I knew it was my first December daily in what, 2 years. So let's do a quick process video. I know this video is going to be long and all over the place, or maybe I'll do the process video. I'll split it into another video because this is already 9 minutes of me rambling and showing you my album. So stay tuned for a December daily process.